it's Danielle, your Pampered Chef consultant, and today I'm going to do a video to show you how to make the easiest, most delicious pizza in your Pampered Chef air fryer. I am obsessed with my Pampered Chef air fryer. I use it more than my microwave. If you have the Pampered Chef air fryer, I want you to comment below, tell me all the amazing things that you cook in it, because I need more ideas and this thing can seriously do anything. But today I am going to show you how to make an easy pizza. Now, my family, we love to make homemade pizzas, and we'll make the dough from scratch and do all of those and have the Pampered Chef personal size pizza stones, and everyone makes their own the way they want it. But sometimes you just want pizza and you want it fast. So this is the recipe for you. It is the 2-ingredient dough. I absolutely love this. All that's in this dough is a cup of self-rising flour and a cup of non-fat Greek yogurt. So that's all I have in there. And then I'm going to take my pastry mixer and I just use this. This is also by Pampered Chef. I love it. I use it all the time. It stirs it while it mixes it. It's perfect. I don't like getting out my hand mixer, especially when it's something that's supposed to be quick and easy, right? Then I have the toaster pan. Pampered Chef just came out with their new line of all their stoneware. So the new one is so great. It has handles. I don't have it yet. I want it. They also have personal size pizza stones. They came out with a whole new line. So make sure you check that out in the link below to see all that Pampered Chef has to offer with their stoneware. This will fit into your air fryer. So that's why I use this particular stone. So I'm gonna take my pizza dough and I'm gonna use probably about half of it. Sometimes I can get 4 smaller pizzas out of it, but I'll just use half my dough for this. So I will just kind of get it together and just break it in half. It doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, then I'm gonna put it on my pan, and this is the baker's roller. I love this because, again, it can go in the dishwasher and it's just small. It fits in your drawer. It has 2 sides. It's perfect when you're making little pizzas like this. So I'm just gonna roll out my dough. If you want crust, obviously you can fold up the dough to make a crust. I'm just gonna do mine like this. Okay, now first I'm gonna just cook my dough before I start putting all of the other stuff on it. So I'm going to take it over to my air fryer, just like this. It fits on the tray. Close it up, air fry, and I'm gonna do it for about 5 minutes, and then I'm going to flip it onto the other side so that it gets both sides nice and crisp. If you want to check on your food, you don't have to try to like turn on, I mean it has a light, but you don't have to try and peek through. You can just open it up, it will stop, you can look at your food, and then shut it and it will start right back where it left off. I love that. Is it starting? Oh. I really like these. These are the mini oven mitts. They are perfect when you're just getting stuff out of the air fryer or the oven even, I use them, or anything that's hot. They completely cover your hands, but they're not like all the way big and bulky. So I feel like they give your hands like more movement than the big oven gloves. So it's been 5 minutes and I'm going to take it out. Now my dough is not completely done. I want it to be like this. So now I'm going to flip my dough so that both sides get cooked evenly. Again, it's not supposed to be all the way done. So I'll just flip it over. Do you see how that bottom is still doughy? So at this point, I'm now going to put on my sauces and toppings because it's not going to take very much time to get that to crisp up. So I'm going to use my silicone prep bowls. These are amazing. You can freeze them. They go in the fridge. They have lids. They're bendable, so they're easy to pour. I use these all the time for sauces, butters, anything like that really. So I'm gonna put on my pizza sauce and rub it around with my Pampered Chef basting brush. Then I'm going to put on about a half a cup of cheese. You can put on how much or however little of cheese that you want. It doesn't matter. All right, now, next I like to, you can put on any topping you want. We're just gonna use some turkey ronies and stick those on. And you're ready to put it back in the oven, in the air fryer. Now remember, it's still hot, so use your gloves. Okay, and I'm gonna put it in for 5 more minutes. We'll see if it's ready. Turn the knob. Then just click the button and set the time. Super easy, right? Okay, so let's check on it. It's been about 3 minutes, but I want to make sure the cheese doesn't burn. And it looks like it's ready. So I will pull it out. You guys, look how yummy this is. This is seriously the easiest, fastest way to make a pizza in your air fryer. Seriously, done in minutes and only 2 ingredient dough. I don't know what I'm saying anymore. But you need this, it's good. So if you like any of the products that I featured today on how to make a quick pizza in your air fryer, just click on the link below. You can order them for yourself or a friend. If you like this video, don't forget to like and share and subscribe to my channel.